Both Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome are chromosomal conditions caused by aneuploidy, that means an abnormal number of chromosomes, especially in the sex chromosomes or allosomes. First, let us see the karyotype. So this is a karyotype of Turner syndrome. As you see, there is a missing X chromosome or monosomy. Let me zoom in. So there is a missing X chromosome or monosomy in the case of Turner syndrome. Whereas in Klinefelter syndrome, you can see an extra chromosome here. That is, trisomy leads to Klinefelter syndrome. Now let us see the difference. In Turner syndrome, the affected sex is the female, whereas Klinefelter syndrome, the affected sex is the male. Turner syndrome is due to the monosomy or missing X chromosome, whereas Klinefelter syndrome is due to the presence of an extra X chromosome that makes XXY. Turner syndrome, the affected female has a short stature, whereas in Klinefelter syndrome, the affected male has taller stature compared more than the average. Other physical symptoms include there is low hairline in Turner syndrome, webbed neck, broad shield-shaped chest, underdeveloped ovaries that often lead to infertility. In Klinefelter syndrome, there is gynecomastia or breast development, reduced muscle mass or body hair, and small firm testes often lead to low sperm production and infertility. Health concerns in Turner syndrome include there may be heart defects, kidney abnormalities, but often the affected individuals have normal intelligence. Whereas in Klinefelter syndrome, there may be some learning disabilities, speech delays, and there will be low testosterone. In summary, Turner syndrome is a monosomy affecting females due to missing of an X chromosome, whereas Klinefelter syndrome is trisomy affecting males due to the presence of an extra X chromosome. Both often lead to infertility. Let us quickly summarize the difference. Turner syndrome, the sex affected is female, whereas Klinefelter syndrome, the sex affected is male. Karyotype is 45X or monosomy in Turner syndrome, whereas Klinefelter syndrome, it is trisomy, XXY. Turner syndrome, height, it is typically short, whereas Klinefelter syndrome, the height is more than the average, typically tall. Turner syndrome is due to the missing X chromosome, whereas Klinefelter syndrome is due to the presence of an extra X chromosome. In both the cases, the affected individuals are infertile, but there are some assisted reproductive strategies to make them fertile. There are reports of success with assisted reproductive strategies. Treatment include growth hormone treatment for height in the case of Turner syndrome, estrogen-progesterone replacement. Klinefelter syndrome, there is testosterone therapy and also fertility support.